Precaution: if the sprayer appears a pause in midst of use, gently shaking can help clear bubble and get it back to normal. Use the spray at the distance of 5 cm from face before makeup and at the distance of 15 cm from face after makeup. You'd better use mineral water, such as bottled water and running water, etc. If use lotion, you must add 90% of mineral water first, then plus 10% lotion. Do not pierce the spary port. Specifications: material, ABS volume, 28 ml atomized particles, 0.3 atomization flow, 1.8 ml/min power, 1 W color, pink product size, 5.1*13 inches function, moisture replenishment, skin repair, dry and oil skin treatment, whitening. Spare power bank package includes 1x facial steamer, 1x USB cable, 1x a small funnel, nano handheld mist spray, atomization moisturizing beauty steamer acts as skin humectant, mini steamer provides you outdoor water spa for skin hydrating. Best dry and oil skin treatment for skin whitening. Portable atomization sprayer can better improve the skin absorption for water and nutritious components of the lotion, and is 10x more effective than facial mask. Nanotechnology humidifying atomizer sprayer produces the finest ionic mist spray that moisturizes your skin without damaging your makeup for a refreshing lift anytime. It moistens and soothes your skin after overexposure from sunshine. 28 ml high-capacity water tank ensures your skin to get a sustainable moisture replenishment, which can last 20 minutes with a 1.8 ml/min atomization flow. Enjoy the freshness even in air conditioning room. Rechargeable by USB facial sprayer, once fully charged it can run for long. Equipped with 2800 mAh rechargeable battery, this compact facial mist can also be used as a power bank to charge your phone when you are outside, traveling, etc. Hands-free innovated conception frees your hands, making it possible for you to refresh skin and relieve fatigue while working. It can just stand in front of you to accomplish face rejuvenation. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.